How you doing? David Qukslvr here, and I got something new for my garage, an little tool I'd like to show you right after this. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. And what I want to show you is this. It's the Bernzomatic Max Heat Torch for faster work times. It says the auto start, continuous run lock, and adjustable flame. And this is the MAP Pro. And the MAP Pro is a different type of fuel that burns hotter for doing different stuff as far as for working with copper and stuff like that and brazing. But I'm not going to be doing any of that stuff. But if you do work with that type of materials, it's for soldering, brazing, heat treating, and light welding. You basically don't use propane with this, so you actually use the MAP Pro fuel. And this has the MAP Pro hand torch cylinder, which is not sold in this kit, but they do have a kit that sells both the torch and the fuel together, and I'm just using the normal propane. So let's crack this open, see what it looks like. Okay, got this cracked open. This is very heavy. It is made out of steel with brass fittings, and looks like stainless steel torch. Okay, this is what I upgraded from. This is just a normal torch. Turn it on, and then you have to have your own lighter, either a cigarette lighter or matches, and so this is a lot easier. So you just take this, put it on here. This is a used cylinder that doesn't have much in here. Just go ahead and thread that on. Make sure it's nice and tight. It doesn't. Here we go. And then what you do, open up the valve. Just go ahead and turn it on. You're not going to hear any propane coming out. It won't come out until you actually hit the trigger. And as soon as you push the trigger in, it allows the propane to go up and ignites it at the same time. Let go, it goes off. But here's the nice thing about it. It does have the lock, so you can use this hands-free. So you can actually set it down and do some soldering with it. There you go. So if it's on a workbench, you can set it down and then do your soldering, brazing, anything like that with two hands. Just to turn it off, just push the button in and let go. And that takes the auto run function off. And then don't forget to turn this off. And then also change it from unlocked to locked, so that button can't accidentally push in, just in case you forget to turn this off and you throw it behind a seat or in a job box like I have here. Got a Connect job box, and you can just throw it in there and not be too careful with it. So definitely upgrade from this to that. So I'm happy. So next time I need something done, I'll have a better tool for doing that. So go ahead and I definitely recommend this. This is a heavy duty equipment. There's no plastic. I've seen a lot of these are, this whole body is like plastic, and but this one's, I think these sell for 50 bucks around or about, and definitely worth every penny. You can get the job done. Any questions, comments? Put them down there, and appreciate the checking it out. We'll see you.